What's good? What's good? Top of the morning. This is Cheef and Chart brought to you by Rap and Dope, the home of money conversations and solutions. We talk about options trading. This is quick disclaimer. This is not financial advice. This is perspective. This is for educational purposes only. Basically, what I see, ideology behind what I see, the plays we're in. You know what I'm saying? So if you took my course, this is not going to sound like Spanish to you. If you know the basics of options trading, this is going to be beneficial to you. But if not, make sure, if you haven't already, feel free to go grab my free checklist to run through all these parameters that I look at prior to making a trade. So one thing I always say is take a look at the overall market, which is the SPY. It stands for the S&P 500. So let's look at the SPY. Why do we look at the SPY? Because the SPY houses 500 companies, give or take, that covers pretty much every sector of the market. So whatever the SPY is doing, because the SPY is an ETF, that's what ETFs are like. They're an umbrella of stocks. There's companies, hella companies under one umbrella. That's an ETF. But the SPY represents the whole market as a whole. So the SPY is looking like, as you can see, we have a daily level already in here. It looks like it wants to bounce. Well, it bounced yesterday with this green bar here because it came down from Friday. It was a little extreme on the Bollinger Band and it had to come down. So it came down and bounced off of this support level. That's this bar here. So today it looks like we're testing it even more so. We're testing it again today because according to this MACD, we have some downwards momentum. Not much because we are above the zero line. And y'all know anything above this zero line here on the MACD, you can look for upside. This blue line hasn't yet crossed below this orange line yet, which symbolizes downside, but it looks like it wants to do that. Right? So I'm looking for some consolidation today, aka trading sideways. Like this is consolidation. You see this? It's not going up or down. It's trading sideways. So that is consolidation. After it breaks a level, sometimes it consolidates. A lot of times it consolidates and continues up. Sometimes it consolidates and breaks down. But we have to look at all our parameters to see what's going on. So today looks like consolidation to finish out the week. That's what that looks like. So with that being said, PayPal, I'm going to have to take the small L because as you can see, PayPal is doing something similar to the SPY. It's testing the level, coming out of being extreme on the Bollinger Band. See? So it's always good to look at the SPY first to see what you possibly may see on your chart. See? It's coming out of being extreme. Bouncing off of support. Look at that. Almost identical. Coming from being extreme on the Bollinger Band, coming in, bouncing off of support. This MACD looks a bit different though. This is poised for hella upside. It's coming from being under the zero line and now it crossed over So it's getting ready, crossed over, see the upside, and now look, it's been cooking, been getting ready to do what it's about to do. But I have to reposition because my expiration date was too short. But I do believe this is poised for upside, but you had to put time on your contract though to realize that. Next level up on the daily is 72. So how long it's going to take to get there is unknown to me. But I did see some PayPal extending out to like some whales on PayPal. Let's see. Look it up. One thing, this thing has hella tools to use. I just haven't used them all. I haven't used them all. YPL, here we go. Okay. So June 30th. That's 72, John. Here we go. So they're giving it till July. This one is giving it till January. All right. So it's poised for upside. You just got to give it some time. I didn't give it enough time. So I'm going to sell it and reposition. That's what I'm going to do with that. Small loss. That's going to happen, y'all. You're going to take losses. But you got to make sure that you minimize your losses so you can live to trade another day. You see your edge is gone. Take your profit. Take whatever you have left. Like get out of it. Take whatever you have left and find a better play. Simple as that. Move on. Look at this. 4 o'clock. Some institution dumped 63 million at $68.57. And another 7 million, another 9 million, another 13 million at 413. So a lot of money going into PayPal. So this tool helps. We got 5 minutes till open. So everything is pretty much going to follow suit with the SPY today. Everything is going to be bouncing off the support pretty much and consolidating, trading sideways. That's what I look for today. Yes, I see a quiet day today. This is a day to watch and see what's going on and possibly position at the end of the day for Monday, possibly, if you see your edge. But yeah, that's what I call for today. Consolidation, trading sideways, quiet day today. I'm taking a small L on PayPal. Actually, I'm taking a small L on PayPal. A couple things I'm taking a small L on that. Yeah. Unfortunately. But we still up though, because we creamed them last week. You know what I'm saying? We creamed them last week. So we still up. That's why it's a good idea to take your If you see your edge being disappeared, like right now, the edge is gone for any upside or downside. Like it's consolidation. It's going to trade sideways today. Yeah. Sign in. But yeah, quiet day today. You know what I'm saying? Quiet day. This one. Today's 2. Saturday, Sunday, Monday. Yeah, we're going ahead and take this L on this one. GT. Yep. It's okay. It happens to the best of us. It's okay. I actually like target for a leap. Like a 140. Let me see. TGT. For January. Yeah, I like target for January. A leap, actually. Like 140 strike. Actually like that. We'll see. But 1 minute till open. That's what I see for today. Happy trading if you're trading. I'll see y'all Monday.